Hi guys, today we have another basic unboxing video, and this time around I've got a case to unbox. This is for my Mrs. phone. It's a Clear Gadget Case for Galaxy S24 Ultra by Samsung. In the description, made in China. Okay, so let's quickly get into it. I'll need my Stanley knife. I can't find my Stanley knife, so I'll use the scissors. Okay, so quickly open the box. Let's have a look. What's inside? Oh, a bit of a manual. Yep, we're not gonna go through. Okay, so this is a clear case. It has a nice ring for you to hold your phone, a bit easy. Which, does it rotate? Oh no, it doesn't rotate. That's a bit of a, you can only twist. I don't know how you twist. So push and turn. So we push, oh, we're pushing this and turn. Oh dear. Oh dear, I think I broke it. Did I? I don't know. I pushed and turned. But, oh, okay, that didn't sound nice, but yeah. Yeah, that's solid still. So you push and turn, take it off. Again, you align with this. Push and turn. I don't think that was meant to. No, it's actually okay. Push and turn. Take it out. Yeah, that's okay. This is okay. So let's look at the strap. What else comes with the case is this strap. Let's have a look. It's actually quite nice. This more textured paper. I don't know what that is for, to be fair, just textured. So let's see now. So this is lock and unlock. So this is different mechanism. So you still line it with a dot, yeah, and you just twist, and that locks. Yeah, that's solid. That's not going anywhere. So let's put you on the phone. So this is the Samsung S24 Ultra. Let's put it on there. I've got screen protector on it. Would it go on? So it's... Oh no. Okay, so we need to take the... I need to take the protector on the lenses. Okay, for better or for worse, I need to take that off. So you can't have any of those, by the looks of it. Okay, I didn't know that, to be fair. So I'll take that off in order to put the case on. Sorry, this was not meant to be such a long video. And that's about it. I don't know what you guys think. So this is the case. It's a plastic case with small tweaks on it. I can pull this out again, or try to pull it out. I'll see if my missus likes it. But this is the case. The only reason why is because when you're holding it, it'll give you more leverage to hold it. Gives you more of a hold depending on what kind of hand you've got. So it's easier to use the pens and everything. Obviously that's off now. I switched it off by mistake. I don't know how I achieved that, so it's not off anymore. Yeah. So yeah, that's about it. You can have a screen protector with it. There's no issue with that. You can see the mechanism. There's a bit of a... I don't know if I did anything to it, but there's a bit of a small twist. Don't know if I need to. Will be on certain point. Quickly locks in. Lace flush with the cameras. I'm not sure if I'm fan on that. Don't know how much it protects them, but yeah. So this is the case. I hope you guys liked this video. I hope you like this content. If you did like it, please like and subscribe. But for now, take care and have a good night. Bye.